I'm Hugh and I'm an ATC ambassador, and I'm going to show you how to set up the patio system on a 2025 ATC Plā 4419. To operate the back doors, these latches here, you press that in and then pull out the lock bar. Now this deck, this ramp here is spring assisted. It is heavy, but it is not too bad. Up here, you're going to notice there are the cables which will lift the ramp door and turn it into the patio function. And to remove these cables, there is a latch here that you will pull up and just pull that out. You will repeat the process over here. Now, what you're going to have to do is you're going to pick up this deck with one hand. It's not too bad. You are going to slide the long side with the latch here in first, tuck the back in, and that is latched. You will repeat the process once more on this side. The next step you're going to want to do is get your stairs. And for these, this specific set of stairs has knobs. You unscrew here and here. Set those to the side. Now the stairs will attach to the deck. You will notice these two lock bars here. There's one here and one here. The stairs will simply latch directly on top of that. And for the removal, as you're taking it down, you will simply push this out and pick the stair up off. Very simple, one hand, you can do both, pick it up and off. Next thing, going to install the safety rail. You will notice there are two sleeves that this same rail you just unbolted from it screws down here, and there is a slot for these threaded knobs to thread into. As we get up here on the deck, you will notice there are a couple of buckles here, and there will also be some bungees like this holding these together. We've been using this every day, so we're going to skip that step. You simply unlatch this buckle, and this will roll out. Moving around to the outside, you will utilize this same buckle that you unlatched, and you will hook it to the clip. You will follow this piece around, and you will notice another one of those latches here. You're going to repeat that process there. Moving to the other side, it is the same process. You simply unlatch that area there, pull it out, and attach. So for the front side, you're going to notice three separate sections of fence. The section that has the stubs on one side and the eyelets on the other will go on this side of the deck. And notice there are these nylon washers that go between the layers. Goes down there, and then it will secure just like the other portions did. So next will be your next largest one, and it will have eyelets on one side and a latch on the other. Just line it up. Attach, clip. The last gate you will notice is much smaller than the other two. It will have eyelets on one side and the latch on the other. Simply line it up on the studs there and attach. Now for the cool stuff. As we all know, ATC likes to go above and beyond. So they give you these removable cup holders and corner plates. Simply slide over the corners of the patio. There's one for each side. So if you're out here enjoying nature, you just sit your drink down there and it'll be out of the way. Another cool thing that ATC has is these are a guard protector for this crack here. Show you that. There's actually a high side and a low side. You line up the low side with the coach, the main coach, and the high side with the ramp door. And then excuse all the sand. It has been quite windy and dusty out here in Utah. But now you have a nice flat surface to walk across as you're going in and out of the back of your RV. And that is how we turn the ramp door into a patio on the 2025 ATC Plā 4419. See you guys next time.